I said only 5-minute filming. And the question is, I said to you, you believe in some sort of a higher power?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did the higher power make you? This is my question to you.
For you though.
Yes. So do you have this question?
I have that question. I don't.
Do you have the answer?
I don't have the answer for it.
To answer this question, the Creator has sent many messengers. Okay. And how do we know they were sent by the Creator? These messengers, they were sent with miracles. Okay. Yeah. So Jesus did miracles of bringing the dead back to life, healing the leper and healing the blind. After Jesus, God sends Muhammad as a messenger of God. Muhammad, peace be upon him, was given the miracle of the Quran. This answers the questions of why God made us. Okay, why the higher power made us. And very quickly, I'll tell you, the Quran is a miraculous book. 15 reasons why the Quran's a miracle.
Okay,
I'll tell you some very quickly. It's a 1400-year-old book, Matt. Wow. It hasn't changed. Okay. Yeah. It's got many scientific statements in it. It's got no scientific mistakes. It's a book easy to memorize completely. Millions of people have memorized it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, couldn't even read and write. The words of the Quran have an effect of making you positive, giving you happiness. Okay, book contains no contradictions. The way the Arabic language is used inside the Quran, Matt, it's powerful, inimitable, cannot be copied. Yeah. It contains God's challenge. God says inside the Quran that no one can ever produce even one chapter like it. And the shortest chapter is only 3 sentences. You didn't know that?
I didn't know that. No. You got me there.
You got there. Okay. It's the largest practiced religion. Islam. It's the fastest growing religion. Let me stop there. Okay, let me give you 12th one. Historical events inside the Quran, 100% correct. Prophecies inside the Quran, 100% correct. Other religions inside the Quran are described how they started, and the Quran gets it 100% right. The Quran contains an economic and a welfare system, Matt. So Matt, with these characteristics, would you agree it's a powerful book?
I would, yes.
Yeah, it's a powerful book. Is it a book that a man who couldn't even read and write, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was a shepherd, could he have produced it? Clearly not.
Seems not, yeah.
It seems not. Yeah. And people around him couldn't have produced it, which means it must come from the Creator. Yes. Okay. If you agree with that, then you have to agree Muhammad is a messenger of God. And I would suggest, look, to help you with, if you have any anxiety, stress, panic attacks, depression, if you take Prozac, benzodiazepines, Zopiclone, you're smoking at the moment. You're smoking, right?
Yeah. Not anymore.
Okay, you weren't smoking. Okay. Whether you're smoking, drink, drugs, whatever you're into, Matt, get a connection with the Creator and your life will change for the better. Get a connection is very easy. Okay, number one, you say that I will only pray to the highest power. We use the word Allah. Okay, Allah logically makes more sense because it's not male or female. He is just the power. Yeah. It's genderless. Yeah, it's gender neutral, the word. Okay.
Oh, of course, that's the current word for it, isn't it?
Yeah, gender neutral.
Yeah,
that's right, gender neutral. And also, secondly, you use the word Allah, and secondly you say, and I accept Muhammad is a messenger of God. If you say these 2 sentences, you've got a connection with the Creator, Matt. I mean, you look like a Muslim, and I know people won't believe this, but you are definitely not a Muslim, right?
No, I'm not a Muslim. No.
Okay. So you don't believe in God or anything?
I don't know.
Okay. Now, with these characteristics, this book clearly comes from a higher power. Yeah. Muhammad must be a messenger of the higher power. I would say, if you say 2 sentences, you have a connection with the Creator, and your life's going to change for the better. Are you happy to say the 2 sentences? Oh, let me tell you what they are. First sentence, I will only pray to the highest power, Allah. Second sentence is, and I accept Muhammad as a messenger of the highest power. Right? You say the 2 sentences, you have a connection. Okay?
Right.
Now, and then all you need to do is, you don't need to give up bacon sandwiches, glass of wine, okay, or smoking like you're doing at the moment. But as your love for the Creator increases, then you can do it.
We'll start to develop, yeah. Okay.
Then you'll start to develop. And do you want to have a go? Do you want to say the sentences?
Why not? Yeah. Why not?
Oh, brilliant.
You've got me here now.
Okay. So yeah, I've got. Very friendly guy. By the way, where are you from, Matt? England?
I'm from England, yeah. I'm part Polish as well.
Oh, I see. Fine.
Yeah.
Face camera there. Okay. You say, sorry. Yeah, okay. We're going to close it off, inshallah. You say, I'm a witness.
I'm a witness.
So, by the way, just to clarify, some people have said that you didn't explain. Once you say the words, you've got a connection with the highest power, Creator of the universe. Also, you're a Muslim. Okay, now it doesn't mean you need to change your life straight away, but gradually, as your love for God increases, then you can change your life. Yeah. Then you can grow your beard. I'm sorry, you've already got a beard.
Halfway there.
If I'm halfway there, you're sort of more than me. You're there more than me with your beard. Okay, right. Okay, you have it for fashion reasons, the beard for any particular reason?
Laziness and fashion. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. So you say, I am a witness
I am a witness
that there is nothing
that there is nothing
worthy of my worship
worthy of my worship
except the highest power, Allah.
except for the highest power, Allah.
And I'm a witness
And I am a witness
that Muhammad, peace be upon him,
that Muhammad, peace be upon him,
is his servant and his messenger.
is his servant and his messenger.
Brilliant. Okay. And Arabic also, Matt, you say, Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa
wa
rasulu.
rasulu.
That's it. Congratulations. You're a Muslim.
Just like
Strange. Yeah, that's right.